Omukubagana huko kwaba hari Serena Hotel muri Kampala abashubuzi bayireka icetengwe cyo kweyombeka by'emishuburo n'amahanga gatungukire okubasa abantu okutura n'amagaraga kwesimisa. Obwe barukhane bitekateko aba ministry by'oburambuzi ebyenjenda ekitongore cy'urukushinanizibwa enshonga z'abakozi ministry by'amashanyarazi n'ubwiga bw'omwitaka naho bihirro koreka ba investors ekitengwe cyo kurondera omubazi ebirukurabanisa mu kushubura hagati y'amahanga ganamo.
Era njagala kugamba nti Uganda ejja kufuna munnyo kubanga business zino zimala okukwata ebyamaguzi ne bitambula production eri wansi negenda mu maaso omuntu wa wansi abafuna munnyo era n'enyingiza yaffe yeggwanga ejja kuba waggulu nnyo. Linda kw'emyaka mwaka gumu 2 ojja kulaba results bezitandika okukola ki okufuluma.
Olukuru ekitongole kya NSSF Patrick Ayota nagira ngu buli mwaka ekimunonga nibarundana biliyoni za dola 6 nukwe kushaba okutandikaho enkoregana babase kukwatanisa nk'amahanga okukozesa sente ez'okukora bizinesi.
Less at a time, private sector foundation we talk. There's so many opportunities that I believe the PS of Trade, Madam Gerald Rusula talked about. And what we just need to do is to tap into them. Uganda is so small, so nascent, so young as an economy, and it has so much that we can do so much from this point on and help grow your business as we grow the economy.
Organized the first ever Trade and Investment Summit on the sidelines of non-aligned movement and G7 7 plus China summits as East Africa, such that we can leverage the potential of East Africa to promote trade, investment and tourism.
The current heavy investment in infrastructure is lowering the cost of doing business, especially in transportation and energy, and creating business competitiveness. Favorable middle-term economic growth prospects of at least 7% per annum, supported by infrastructure development, skilled labor force, and abundant natural resources. Uganda is a resource-rich country which provides a significant opportunity for exports and light manufacturing.
Warukura eby'obushubuzi muri Kata Mohammed bin Ahmed Twa yasema Uganda habwo kuba ihanga kukizayo kurengana nabo by'obushubuzi nukwe okuraganisa okume nkoreganirho hagati ya Kata na Uganda nukwe kushaba amahanga gandi okukora nico cyumwe.
The Ugandan economy is growing. You know, one time I think I was at a press conference or something, and I said, it's moving like this. The only problem of COVID came. And when it came, the plane started descending a little bit, but I want to tell you now, it is rising again. That's why when somebody here talked about that in next year we shall be growing at 5-something point, I said, no, I will correct that one. It will be growing, other facts remaining constant, it will be growing at 6.4.
Omorutera noru orwa East Africa Trade and Investment omwezi wa President retired Major Jessica Arupo nwe yajekera President Museveni omukuru wiguraho mu butongore kandi norwija kuhwanya nchakare bito mu butumwa bwa President Museveni yahamya ngo ibyo kwerinda birya higuru.
But you also know that our president is a champion of integration in the African Union. In the African Union, each president is named a champion in light of what he's passionate about. And the presidents of Africa decided that because our president is passionate about bringing people together, ensuring that humanity is treated equally, regardless of the boundaries, he was named the champion of integration.